All right. We're gonna stand like this. Okay. We're gonna step forward with our left foot. That's this foot. Okay. Step forward, just like this, and then bring it together. Try it again. 1, 2, 3, go. What? Bring it together. Is that easy? Okay. Try it again. 1, 2, 3, go. Yes. Okay. Now we'll use the other foot. This one. And you step back. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, step back. Yeah, there you go. Then bring it together. Try it again. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah. Okay. You don't have to step so far back. Just like this. Just a little bit. Okay. All right. Ready? See. Step forward. Step forward.
Other foot.
Other foot. This one. The first one. Like that. Okay. Bring it together. Now we're gonna move this one back. Alright, I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna hold your hand, okay? So when I squeeze this hand, you're gonna move your left foot forward, okay? See? So we go here. Boom, like that, okay? And then we're gonna bring your feet together. And then you're gonna move back with this one, with your right. This one. 1, 2, 3, go. There you go. See? One more time. Forward. Backward. Yeah! Good. See, easy. Ready? 1, 2, 3, forward. Together, now backward. Good. Forward. Together, now backward. Okay, so all we have to do is get used to this. So all we have to do when you salsa is all it is. Come, back, go forward, and then back, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna hold your hand, and I'm gonna pull this hand forward. Why? Why do I want to pull this hand forward? So you're gonna go forward. Yeah! So smart! Okay. And then when I push this one back, you're so smart! Alright. Okay. So then we're gonna do it together, okay? Okay, so when I pull your hand forward, you go forward. Then when I push your hand back, so smart. Okay, so let's try it twice, okay? Okay, ready? 1, boom, again, yeah! Okay, alright, so I'm gonna teach you that one, we're gonna come back to that. Alright, I'm gonna teach you how to spin. This is where the fun part is, okay? When I go spin, we're gonna go like this. You're gonna put your hand up. I'm gonna spin you. Okay, so relax. So I'm gonna go like this, and we're gonna spin. Spin. No. And then you're gonna spin once. Spin once. Stop. Yeah. All right, there we go. Okay, so the rules to salsa is that the guy, me, for this time, will have to tell you what to do. So you can't just, I want to spin. It doesn't work like that. For it to work together, we're a team. Okay? And as a team, in order for it to work perfectly, is you listen to me. So if I say spin, you spin, and then you stop. Okay? And then we go like this. Yeah, there you go. And then together. Then you go back. Together. Okay. So today, I want to teach you how just to do that, and then one spin. Okay? Easy. So now, you have to listen to the music. Okay? Okay, ready? Okay. So for now, you don't have. I'll just push you left and right. Okay? So ready? Let's wait for the music. Hold on.
What do you think? Is it good? Is it good?